Daily routine vocabulary in English. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Turn off alarm. I turn off the alarm on my phone after it wakes me up in the morning. Stretch. I stretch my arms and legs after waking up. Get out of bed. I get out of bed and start my day. Make bed. I make my bed to tidy up the room. Wash face. I wash my face with water and soap. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth with toothpaste and a toothbrush. Exercise. I exercise for 30 minutes to stay healthy. Take a shower. I take a shower to clean myself. Clip nails. I clip my nails once a week. Feed the cat. I feed the cat in the morning and evening. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast before I leave for work. Put on makeup. I put on makeup before going out. Get dressed. I get dressed in my clothes for the day. Comb hair. I comb my hair to make it neat. Leave home. I leave home to go to work. Commute. I commute to work by bus. Drive to work. I prefer to drive to work rather than taking the bus. Work. I have a lot of work to do today. Take a break. I take a break from work to stretch my legs. Have lunch. I have lunch with my coworkers at the office. Leave work. I leave work at 4 p.m. Take a nap. I take a nap after lunch to recharge. Have a snack. I have a snack of fruit in the afternoon. Do laundry. I do laundry to have clean clothes. Clean the house. I clean the house to keep it tidy. Go for a walk. I go for a walk in the park to relax. Go shopping. I go shopping for clothes at the mall. Play games. I play games for fun. Cook dinner. I cook spaghetti and meatballs for dinner. Have dinner. I like to have dinner with my family. Wash dishes. I wash the dishes after dinner. Watch TV. I watch TV shows in the evening. Read a book. I read a book before bed. Listen to music. I listen to music to uplift my mood. Set alarm. I set my alarm for the next day. Turn off lights. I turn off the lights before going to sleep. Go to bed. I go to bed and close my eyes. Fall asleep. I relax my body and mind until I fall asleep. Dream. I dream about flying in the sky. Thanks for watching.